Greetings, roadway trailblazers! Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. We're thrilled to showcase this beautiful CARFAX one-owner 2016 Winnebago Journey 40R with only 61,000 miles. This 41-foot Class A diesel pusher, built on a heavy-duty Freightliner Maxum chassis, features the spacious 40R floor plan with 3 enormous slide-outs, 1.5 baths, and room to spread out thanks to a king bed in the master suite. Adorned in Winnebago's stunning light sandalwood full-body paint package, this RV radiates elegance and comes powered by a potent 400-horsepower Cummins ISL diesel engine, ready to tackle any mountain pass or pull any toys you may want to bring along for the adventures. Strap in for an action-packed tour to explore every upscale detail of this remarkable coach. Let's kick off with the exterior, where the 2016 Winnebago Journey 40R commands attention with timeless style. The light sandalwood graphics package bathes this coach in warm, sophisticated hues, ensuring it shines at every campground or scenic stop. Stretching 41 feet, it's crafted on a heavy-duty Freightliner Maxum chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, confident ride across any terrain. Powered by an 8.9-liter Cummins ISL diesel engine, it produces 400 horsepower and 1,150 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3006-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifter for seamless performance. With only 61,000 miles, this Journey is ready for countless adventures. The exterior is loaded with premium features to elevate your camping experience. Full pass-through basement storage compartments with a mega slide-out storage tray offer vast space for camping gear, outdoor equipment, or personal treasures. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV and soundbar creates a vibrant setup for outdoor movie nights or tailgating with friends. An exterior cooler compartment on a slide-out tray keeps drinks handy. Power patio awning, power door awning, and slide toppers craft a shaded, stylish oasis at any campsite. 4-point automatic one-touch hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls ensure quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras with a large in-dash monitor make towing and parking a breeze. A 15,000-pound trailer hitch adds versatility for towing. Powering your travels is effortless with this RV's top-tier systems. An Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator on a slide-out service tray delivers reliable power for off-grid escapes. A 50-amp service with extension cord, Magnum inverter charger, and battery disconnects, and 3 roof-mounted ACS with heat pumps keep you comfortable year-round. These systems make this Journey a versatile, value-packed choice for adventurers seeking comfort and reliability. Step inside, and the 40R floor plan opens into a spacious, family-friendly haven. 3 enormous slide-outs create an expansive interior, perfect for families or groups seeking refined comfort. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom and spacious front living room. The front kitchen layout is a culinary masterpiece, designed for effortless meal preparation. It boasts a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop with pot filler, a microwave convection oven, a residential sink with faucet, and tons of counter space, offering ample prep area. The open design keeps the chef connected to the living area. The front living area is a cozy retreat, with luxury 2-person recliner theater seating, a 50-inch TV, and an electric fireplace with heat, ideal for family movie nights or relaxing after a day of adventure. A table dinette with 4 chairs offers a versatile dining space, enhanced by warm cabinetry and durable finishes. The private half bathroom is a standout, with a toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan, delivering convenience for the whole crew. The rear master bedroom is a tranquil escape, crafted for restful nights. The king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV, ceiling fan, dual wardrobe closets, and drawer storage, offers comfort and organization. The slide-out creates an open, airy feel, enhanced by elegant window treatments for a warm, home-like vibe. A stackable washer and dryer is already installed, making extended trips effortless. The full-width rear master bathroom is exceptional, with a large shower enclosure with glass door, skylight, sink, vanity, toilet, and power vent fan, delivering a refreshing spa-like experience. At just 61,000 miles, this 2016 Winnebago Journey 40R is a phenomenal opportunity to own a feature-packed coach with a front kitchen, 1.5 baths, and king bed master. Picture hitting the road in this 2016 Journey 40R, exploring national parks, lakeside campsites, or mountain retreats with your loved ones. Imagine cooking meals in the spacious front kitchen, relaxing by the electric fireplace, or unwinding in the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This RV delivers residential versatility and family-friendly comfort, creating memories that last a lifetime. Let's dive deeper into why this Journey is a top pick. Winnebago's craftsmanship shines in the durable construction, spacious layout, and thoughtful features like the exterior cooler tray and power awnings. The Freightliner chassis and Cummins power inspire confidence, while the cockpit's intuitive design makes driving a pleasure. From the front kitchen to the rear master bath, this RV is built for comfort and convenience. Let's revisit the exterior's brilliance. The light sandalwood paint package enhances curb appeal and protects the RV for years of travel. The mega storage tray and exterior entertainment center add fun and functionality, while the power awnings and hydraulic jacks elevate both style and ease of use. Back inside, the living area's charm deserves another look. The luxury recliner theater seating and pull-out sleeper sofa create a perfect spot for family gatherings or unwinding after a day of exploration. The 50-inch TV and electric fireplace add warmth and entertainment, while the 3 slide-outs enhance the open, inviting feel. This layout balances practicality and comfort, making every trip a delight. Why choose this Journey? Its blend of spaciousness and versatility is unmatched, with features like the front kitchen, 1.5 baths, and ample storage that make family camping effortless. The 40R floor plan offers plenty of room for 6, while the Cummins engine ensures reliable power for any journey. Ready to make this masterpiece yours? This 2016 Winnebago Journey 40R is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed diesel pusher with low mileage. Reach out at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is eager to launch your next adventure in style. Thank you for joining us for this action-packed walk-around of the 2016 Winnebago Journey 40R. Discover more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its 3 slide-outs, 1.5 baths, and premium features, this RV is a must-see. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2016 Journey 40R. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see you hit the road in style.